Yes, good morning, students. Let's start with the discussion of the questions, chapter 3, and you can have the help of the screen also. The exercise is there. Yes, quickly raise your hands, first of all. First, we'll do the exercise that is given to you in the box. Given below are some emotions that Kezia felt. Match the emotions in column A with the items in column B. They are given some actions or some items from the chapter in column B. You have to match the emotions with this. Okay. Yes. Sorry. Yes, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good one.
Ma'am, fear of terror when father comes home, third option.
Yes. It may be more than one also.
Yes.
Can be more than one.
Fear of father when father comes home, or when father stretched out on a sofa snoring. Glad sense of relief.
फर्स्ट वाले तय करिए ना मैंने अभी फियर और टेरर कहाँ कौन सी ऐसी बात थी जिसके साथ उसके माइंड में
When
डर की फीलिंग जो थी वो क्रिएट होती थी
when father comes home, or when she is speaking to father, third and fourth option.
First one, father comes into her room to give her a goodbye kiss. At that time also she is full of fear. Second, when father comes home. Third part जो दिया हुआ है. Then speaking to father while she was talking to her father at that time also she is full of fear. Then again going to bed when alone at home. At that time also she was feeling afraid. And then one more statement is there. Father stretched out on the sofa snoring. Then she used to stand here, father in the room on Sunday, and father used to sleep on sofa snoring. At that time also she had feeling of fear. Yes. Second. Yes, but a second glad sense of relief. Yes, Gauri beta. Continue with the second part.
Yes, ma'am. When the second option, noise of carriage grows fainter.
Yes, glad sense of relief when the noise of the carriage grows fainter. जैसे जैसे इसके father की गाड़ी की आवाज जो थी वो slow होती जाती तो वो एक sense of relief थी उसके लिए. She was happy that he has gone. Now coming to the third part.
A funny feeling, perhaps of understanding. Sixth option, when father comforts her and falls asleep.
Yes, father comforts her and falls asleep. That was a funny feeling for her when she starts understanding about her father, that he is very much tired, he works for the whole day, that's why he's not able to play with him, otherwise he loves her. Yeah. Yes, coming to the next questions. Yes, next one. Hiteshri Soni. Start with the first question, madam. Hiteshri Soni is going to
Yes, ma'am.
start with the questions. First question.
What was Kezia afraid? Why was Kezia afraid of her father?
Yes.
Kezia was afraid of her father because we can say that he was strict sometimes, and he also sometimes used to correct her for her mistakes and scold her or beat her, and but he also used to care about her, and we know that he used to give say her goodbye every time he used to go to the office. So maybe she was not so close with her father, so she never knew that if he cared about her or not. So she thought she was just a giant person laying on the sofa. That's why she thought.
Yes, Kezia's father never talked to her lovingly, but he had feeling of love because we see usually in the morning he comes to say her goodbye and kisses her. He never played with her. Maybe he's tired due to the work for the whole day. So Kezia thought her father was a cruel person and she was terribly afraid of him. Okay. Next question. Yes, Ishita Kapoor.
Yes, ma'am. The people in Kezia's family were her father.
Please read the question first.
Okay, ma'am. Who were the people in Kezia's family?
Yes.
Answer. The people in Kezia's family were her father, her mother, her grandmother, and Kezia herself.
Kezia herself and some servants also. Some
Yes,
servants.
ma'am.
In the chapter, we are getting the mention of the cook. You can say some servants or you can mention cook. What was the name of the cook?
Alice.
Alice. Name of the cook? Alice. People in Kezia's family were Kezia, her father, her mother, her grandmother, and the servants. Or you can say the cook, Alice. Here, now question number 3, Kamaljeet Kaur.
Yes, ma'am. What was Kezia's father's routine? First part, before going to his office. Every morning before going to work, Kezia's father came into her room and gave her a casual kiss.
Yes.
Second part.
Okay, leave it. One part. Let other one take the turn for the second part. Yes, for the first part, before going to his office, he would come into Kezia's room and give her a goodbye kiss. Next, now I want Noorjot for the second part. B part, beta.
What was Kezia's father's routine after coming back from his office?
Yes.
Kezia's father's routine after coming back from his office was to ask for his newspaper, a cup of tea, and for his slippers.
Yes, after coming back from his office, he would sit in the drawing room and there he would have his tea, read the newspaper, and he asked for his slippers also. Here, next, coming to the third part of question number 3. Now, I would like Ram Avasthi. Yes, Ram Avasthi, beta. Answer the third part.
Yes, ma'am. What was the Kezia's father's routine on Sunday? Ma'am,
Yes.
Kezia's father's routine on Sunday was to take a rest and enjoy a sleep on sofa.
Yes. On Sundays, he would stretch himself out on the sofa in the drawing room. He would put his handkerchief on his face and his feet on a cushion. There he would sleep soundly and snore. Yeah. Yes. Coming to question number 4. Arjun Sharma. Arjun Sharma. Yes, beta.
In what way did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? Answer.
Yes.
On Sundays, she would encourage Kezia to go to her father and have a nice talk with her. Then once she
Nice talk with her or him.
suggested that
Nice
she
talk. Beta,
should
listen,
make
listen.
a pin cushion. Yes, ma'am.
Have a nice talk with him or her.
Him.
Yes. You spoke her. Next,
Yes.
continue.
For her father, she could give it to him as a gift on his birthday.
Okay, you are reading from some book. The book is there in front of you. On Sundays, try to use your original language. Take help of your textbook to give your answers. On Sundays, she would encourage Kezia to go to her father and have a nice talk with him. Then, because it was father's birthday, so she suggested that she should prepare a pin cushion as a gift for her father. So grandmother suggested her to go down and know her father better. Here. Next question. Now we have the next part. Yes, now I want next one. Abhinav beta. Abhinav,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Read the next question.
Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? Kezia's efforts to please her father were she tried to make her a cushion on on his birthday, but when she was trying to fill the cushion with something, she found the uh, important documents of his father, and she torn them up and filled them up in the cushion. So it is pleased father because these were his important pictures.
Yes. Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? She did. What did she do to please her father? And what happened after that? This can also be the question. And another question for the same answer can be, Kezia made a birthday present for her father, but it proved to be a disaster for her. How? Explain. So all these questions will have similar answer. Kezia wanted to give her father a pin cushion as a birthday gift. She made a beautiful pin cushion of yellow silk, and in order to stuff it, she tore some sheets of paper into small pieces, and unfortunately, these sheets contained an important speech to be given by her father. When the father came to know what Kezia had done, he was very angry. He hit her hands with a ruler. So, whatever the efforts she did to please her father, that resulted in displeasing him very much. Here is coming to the next question. I like Ankit Beta. Ankit to answer.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, second question, Beta.
Yes. Kezia decides that there are different kind of fathers. What kind of father was Mr. McDonald and how was he different from Kezia's father? In Kezia's opinion, her father was very harsh. He did not talk to her and did not spend time with Kezia. But on the other hand, the Mr. McDonald's played with the children and spent time with the children.
Yes.
And
Yes, very good. Mr. McDonald was Kezia's next door neighbor. He was a loving father. He loved to play with his children, and the children felt very happy in his company. But Kezia's father was very different. He never played with her. He never talked to her softly. He always talked to her angrily. Thus, Kezia came to feel that her father was very cruel. She saw in him the image of a butcher. and even she just felt like a giant about the figure and about the appearance of her father. Here, next question. Coming to the third question. Yes, now I would like Anmol Cat. Yes, Anmol beta. Anmol, Aryan Sharma, Vikram. Anyone out of these three? Quickly answer beta. Yes, who is going to? Aryan Sharma? No? Vikram? Tanvi? So, beta, I told you very clearly yesterday that you will be given subject enrichment only if you answer. If you are not participating in the discussion, I don't know about your speaking and listening skills and your communication skills. Those who have answered, they can lower their hands. Those who have already answered, they should lower their hands. Ramavasti beta, lower your hand. Yes. The rest of the students come forward, raise your hands. One is ready. Vikram, Tanveer, Dhruv, Arlene. Arlene, beta, Gurjot, Gurshan. Very strange that if you people are in the class, why don't you want to speak? Yes, Tanish, beta, very good. Yes, Tanish.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Read the next question.
How does Kezia begin to see her father as a human being who needs her sympathy? One night, Kezia has a dream which made her too afraid. She was crying out of fear, and when she woke up, she found that her father was sitting near her bed with a candle in his hand. He asked Kezia that what was the matter, and he carried out to the next bedroom, and after some time she snuggled her and take under his arm and held it tightly to his shirt. Her father told her to rub her feet against his legs and get them warm.
Yes. And what happened then? What is the result
Uh,
of
now,
that?
now Kezia realized that her
Yes.
father was not a harsh as she thought. Now he realized that father want to understand, and he is very good person.
Yes. You have to tell the result also. Okay. Kezia used to think that her father was a cruel person. She feared and avoided him. One night, she had a nightmare. She cried for her grandmother. Her father came there and he took her in his arms. He took her to his own bedroom. He asked her to rub her feet against his legs to get them warm. And suddenly, Kezia realized how good and loving her father was. She realized that her father had to work hard all day. He became too tired to play with her. She lovingly placed her head on her father's chest. Now she realized that her father truly needed her sympathy and he had a feeling of love for her. She was wrong. So this made her understand her father well. This incident made her understand her father that he is also a human being and he also needed a sympathy, he also needed a rest. And there are some reasons why father is not able to play with her. Here. Now coming to the next part. thinking about the language. Look at the following sentence. There was a glad sense of relief when she heard the noise of the carriage growing fainter. Here, glad means happy about something. किसी चीज को सोचकर या सुनकर खुश होना. Now, all these words given here, glad, happy, pleased, delighted, thrilled, and overjoyed, are synonyms. Words or expressions that have the same or nearly the same meaning. क्या होते हैं synonyms which have the nearly same meanings? So all these words which are given, glad, happy, pleased, delighted, thrilled, and overjoyed, are synonyms. That means they almost have the similar meaning. However, they express happiness in certain ways. Read the sentences below. You will get the example. She was glad when the meeting was over. The chief guest was pleased to announce the name of the winner. Both the words give almost a similar meaning of happiness. Now there is an exercise given to you. Use an appropriate word from the synonyms given above in the following sentences. Clues are given in the brackets. You are given the expressions in the bracket with the sentence, and accordingly you are to fill the meaning. She was dashed by the news of her brother's wedding. Very pleased. Second may have extremely pleased and excited about. Then extremely happy, satisfied about. And the last one, happy about something that has happened. Yes. Take 1 minute and quickly fill these blanks. Yes, within 1 minute, you must quickly fill these blanks.
Dashed by the news of her wedding.
Yes, yes, start, beta.
She was thrilled by the news of her brother's wedding.
Yes, she was thrilled by the news of her brother. It can be delighted also. Yeah, here thrilled as well as delighted, both can be correct. Very pleased.
Okay.
Yes, second one.
I was dashed to be invited to the party. I was delighted to be invited to the party.
Yes, I was delighted to be invited to the party. Extremely pleased and excited. We can use here thrilled also. First two में alternate भी हो सकता है. दोनों options correct हैं. Okay. Next, third one.
She was dashed at the birth of her granddaughter. She was overjoyed at the birth of her granddaughter.
Yes, she was overjoyed at the birth of her granddaughter. Next.
The coach was dashed with his performance. The coach was pleased with his performance.
Yes, satisfied. The coach was pleased with his performance. Next, fifth sentence.
She was very dashed with her results. She was very happy with her results.
Yes, she was very happy with her results. That means happy about something that has happened. Result आ चुका है तो उसके साथ वो बहुत खुश है जो भी result आया. Okay. Now coming to the next part. Next one. Study the use of the word big in the following sentence. He was so big, his hands and his neck, especially his mouth. Here big means large in size. You have read in the chapter, it was talked about the physical structure or the body of the father, his hands and neck, especially his mouth. Now consult a dictionary and find out the meaning of big in the following sentences. The first one has been done for you. See the meanings of these words. You are a big girl. Now here big means older, matlab age mein bade ho. Today you are going to take the biggest decision of your career. This exercise you will complete. Yes. Those who are raising hand. Yes, Aryan Sharma. Very good. Yes, Aryan beta, make this exercise.
Most important.
Yes, today you are going to take the biggest decision of your career, and the word can be most important. Next one. Next sentence.
Their project is full of big ideas, creative.
Their project is full of big ideas, creative, or it can be innovations. Next.
Cricket is a big game in our country, popular.
Popular, yes. Cricket is a popular game in our country. Yes. Next one.
I am a big fan of Lata Mangeshkar, huge.
Huge नहीं होगा, huge size के लिए बड़ा होता है. I am a big fan means I am a great fan. I am a great fan. इसके लिए क्या word होगा? Great. Huge size के लिए बड़ा हो जाता है. Next one.
You have to cook a bit more as my friend is big eater, foodie.
Foodie हो सकता है और it can be a government word भी होता है. GOURMAND, which means fond of eating and drinking. Person fond of eating and drinking. It can be gourmand, GOURMAND, or it can be foodie, or eats a lot भी हो सकता है. Next.
Ma'am, I don't know the answer of this one.
Last one. What a big heart you have got. बड़े दिल वाला हो जो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Generous. Father, dear. Generous, बहुत दयालु जिसको कह सकते हैं हम, kind कह देते हैं, और big heart वाले को हम generous word use करते हैं, और very kind भी हो सकता है. ठीक है? Yes. Next. See the next exercise now. Next exercise is about your reported speech. Study the following sentences. What? Screamed mother. No, she whispered. Sit up, he ordered. The italicized words are verbs of reporting. कौन से हैं italicized word इसमें? Screamed, whispered, ordered. Here, we quote or report what someone has said or thought by using a reporting verb. Every reporting clause contains a reporting verb. For example, he promised to help in my project. Promised is the reporting verb. How are you doing? Seema asked. Here, asked is the reporting verb. We use verbs of reporting to advise, order, report statements, thoughts, intentions, questions, requests, apologies, manner of speaking, and so on. You have done the narration, reported speech we have already covered, so you know all this. So underline the verb of the reporting in the following sentence. Yes, quickly, who will do it? Because you have already covered these things. I want some new name. Same students are raising hand. Yes, quickly come forward as other students have also come. Balpreet beta. Yes, Balpreet, would you like to? Balpreet, quickly beta answer. Don't waste time. We are having less time now. Sanyam Pasi, yes, good. Yes, Sanyam Pasi beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly
He says he will enjoy the ride. Says.
Says is the reporting verb. Yes.
Father mentioned that he was going on a holiday. Mentioned.
Mentioned, yes.
No one told us that the shop was closed. Told.
Good.
He answered that the price would go up. Answered.
Answered, yes.
I wondered why he was screaming. Wondered.
Good.
Ben told her to wake him up. Told.
Yes.
Ratan apologized for coming late to the party. Apologized.
Very good. Very good. Why you people feel shy? You people can do wonders. Take your turn when the time is there. Okay. Here now next there is one exercise. Some verbs of reporting are given in the box. Choose the appropriate verbs and fill in the blanks in the following sentences. Okay. This exercise you will complete. Just wait. If we have time, we'll finish it. Let me come to the next part. There is some speaking exercise given to you in which there are some questions which can be taken in the form of case study. समझ रहे हो? आपको पता है केस स्टडीज के नए इंट्रोड्यूस हुए क्वेश्चन, these questions can be added in the long questions. So this story is not an Indian story, but do you think there are fathers, mothers and grandmothers like the ones portrayed in the story in your own country? Yes, no doubt. The similarities can be there in the parents, fathers, mothers and grandmothers as they are portrayed in the story. So we can have discussion on these questions tomorrow. Come prepared. Second question is, was Kezia's father right to punish her? What kind of a person was he? You might find some of these words useful in describing him. They have given you some characteristics, or you can say the adjectives, which can be used for Kezia's father. Then there is one writing task also given. Has your life been different from or similar to that of Kezia when you were a child? Has your perception about your parents changed now? Do you find any change in your parents' behavior vis-a-vis yours? कि आपके बिहेवियर में भी अब चेंज है, आपके पेरेंट्स के बिहेवियर में भी अब चेंज है, लेकिन जब आप छोटे बच्चे थे तो आपका बिहेवियर भी कुछ और तरह का था, आपके पेरेंट्स का भी कुछ और तरह था. Who has become more understanding? What steps would you like to take to build a relationship based on understanding? You have to write 3 or 4. You can't do 3 or 4. You can go to 2 or 3 paragraphs in 100 to 150 words discussing these issues from your own experience in the form of a diary entry. Students, please note down in your books along with this line. At the end, you must add in the form of a diary entry. We have already covered the diary entry in PT1. So this topic you will write in the form of a diary entry in your notebooks. Clear? And the speaking part we will discuss tomorrow along with one exercise that is left. The second exercise, filling the reporting verbs in the brackets. Clear? And after this, we'll go to the next chapter. Please come prepared. Now we are left with only 1 minute. If anyone has any problem, you can raise your hand and ask.